This one has a lot of small ones, but it's a lot of them. Hey everybody, by this time in the season, if you still do have your hail car and you haven't gotten it taken care of yet, please give us a call, 612-839-8517, or contact us on our website at divinedents.com. For any further videos, please hit the notification bell, and that'll let you know what we're doing. This one has a lot of small ones, and I mean a lot of them.
Gets on the beat.
You may not be able to notice it in this video, but under each of those, or not under it, but within each of those marks are dents, and you have to bring it on the inside because it just depends on the day that you see it, the light it hit, and you be disturbed by what dent that you see. So we go and circle up everything and get that information to your insurance company. Here's an improvement in the sound, so stick around and check out the next episode regarding this topic.